So in this video we are going to learn how you can install Visual Studio Code on your local machine. To begin with, go to your browser and search for download Visual Studio Code. So once you are on the search page, go to download Visual Studio Code by the official code.visualstudio.com link and select the operating system that you are using. So Visual Studio Code is automatically installable using Windows installer, deb on Ubuntu and Debian, and .rpm package on Red Hat and later version. Similarly, on Mac OS you can download the installer, or either you can choose Intel chip or Apple Silicon installer based on your requirement. I would simply go to Mac installer and download the installer. So downloading has begun, and once it is done, I will show you how you can install it. So once the download is complete, open the package, unzip it. Once it is done, open the installer and it will ask you for permission. Since I have already installed it, I am not being prompted to move it to the applications, but in your case you have to open it, and either the installation steps will be prompted or you will be asked to move the package to applications. So once this is done, your installation will be complete and you will be ready for the further development. There are few more things that I would like to share with you. There are some extensions that will help you in developing better applications in faster way. Right? They are not compulsory, they are not required, but if you need some help in your coding styles and if you are fine with using third-party tools, then you can use these extensions. Let me show you some of the extensions that I will be using throughout this course. So here I am in my Visual Studio Code. You can check out I am using latest version, which is released in March 2023. Alright, and here you can see the extension that I'm using right now for React and Redux is ES7 Plus React Redux React Native Snippet version 4.4.3. Apart from that, I am using Prettier code formatter in order to format my code so that the indentation and the coding UI looks good. If you have some other choice, you can go with it, but for this course I'll be using Prettier. With this, we are almost set to start up with our development, and let's now start with our first project. So see you in the next lecture. Bye.